You can access the Central Carolina Community College Library webpage by going to the URL www.cccc.edu/library or by clicking on the library link at the top of the CCCC homepage. On the library's homepage, you can find most of our resources in the central search box. You can perform a summon search, find books and DVDs available in the physical library by searching the catalog, access guides to research for different courses, find subject-specific databases, look for individual academic journal titles, or request materials from any library in the world. You will learn more about some of these features in later modules. The library offers study rooms at all 3 of our main campus locations. These can be booked up to 2 weeks in advance and provide space for students to work in groups or find a quiet place to study. To book a study room at the Harnett or Lee campus libraries, click on the Services link at the top of the library's webpage. Choose Rooms and Spaces from the menu on the left, then click on Book Online under the Study Rooms icon. Choose your campus. To book a study room at the Chatham campus, visit the Chatham Community Library's website. Select the date you wish to book. Available times will be green. Click on the blocks you need, up to 4 hours. Please note that if you are more than 15 minutes late to check into your room, your reservation will be canceled so that other students have the opportunity to book it. Fill out the form using your Cougar Mail address. Click Submit My Booking and you're all set. Let's look at the library's research guides. These guides, also called LibGuides, can be accessed by clicking on the Research Guides tab on the library's homepage. You can search for a subject you would like help with, or click on the link to get a list of the guides available. At this time, we have a guide for each program of study at CCCC, as well as several guides aimed at specific courses with research-heavy assignments. Let's find the guide for English 111. Course guides contain pages for specific assignments that most students in that course will have to complete. For example, the annotated bibliography page walks you through the steps of completing this assignment and calls out useful library tools and resources for each step. In addition to the step-by-step guide, you'll find our library lingo callouts, which define and explain certain library and search terms you may not be familiar with, videos and interactive tutorials that explain concepts or show you how to use a resource, helpful tips and tricks, and a help box. In the help box, you'll find a link to email your librarian with questions, as well as links to outside resources that may go into more detail. In addition to the assignment help pages, you'll also find the steps of the research process laid out in the menu. Each page describes a specific step and includes guidance to completing that stage of research. The steps of the research process covered in most course guides include choosing a topic, conducting background research, developing a search strategy, searching for scholarly articles and books, evaluating resources, citations, and plagiarism. To get help from the library's webpage, you can chat with a librarian directly using our Ask a Librarian chat feature. However, this service is staffed by librarians all over the state of North Carolina, so you will get an answer to questions about conducting research and, in some cases, using library resources. But you might not get an answer for specific questions about our library tools, services, access, or hours. To get more in-depth help, or help with questions specific to Central Carolina, click on the Help and Contact link at the top of the library's homepage. From here, you can make an appointment to meet with a librarian in person at any of our campus libraries, or virtually using the Google Hangouts feature of your Cougar Mail account. To make an appointment, choose the campus or librarian you'd like to meet with, the date and time for the meeting, and fill out the form. A librarian will contact you to confirm. You can also contact us by phone or email us. To contact a specific librarian directly, click on the staff link in the menu to the left to get contact information for individual library staff members.